Good morning, children. Welcome to English language class. And today we will read chapter number 7, that is demonstrative adjectives. Children, to understand the chapter, let's read the passage given here. Ladies and gentlemen, this museum is one of the very few that were designed in an innovative manner. This building has a natural lighting. We have very cold winters here. These walls that you see right here are in fact two walls that here air trapped between them. This insulation keeps the museum warm. Those water tanks you see there have water in them, that is filtered using natural material. The painting collection in that corner in this museum is a treat for art lovers. Now children, the highlighted words this, that, these and those used in the above sentences are demonstrative adjectives. You can also say demonstrative adjectives always point out nouns near or far away from us and always gives the answer of question which one. Now let's read some of the use of this, that, these and those. This and these point to noun that is near us. That and those point to the noun that is far away from us. For example, this pen is mine. That pen is his. This and that point to singular nouns. These and those point to plural nouns. Example, these pens belong to Atul. Those pens are hers. This and these can also mean near in time, and that, those can also mean further away in time. They also denote time, that is near or further. Let's see example. I am working as a tourist guide this summer. This summer means near in time. I am very busy these days, denoting the near time. Do you remember that summer we all went to London? Those days were full of fun. Here in this sentence, that and those are denoting the far away time. Now let's read some more sentences that show uses of demonstrative adjectives. Can you see these tiger cubs out in the field? This is the wrong sentence. Can you see those tiger cub out in the field? This is the right one, because here we are talking about the tiger cubs that are far away from us. The bank robbery happened last week. This night was blackout. This is the wrong one. The bank robbery happened last week. That night there was a blackout. This is the right one, because here we are talking about the night, that is already denoting the past far away time. Now come to exercise. Your first exercise is you have to complete the sentences with some demonstrative adjectives like this, that, these and those. First one is, I took dash picture in Kashmir. I took this picture in Kashmir. Dash lake behind us is Dal Lake. That lake behind us is Dal Lake. Second one, can you see dash bird on the tree? I think that it's a woodpecker. So here I'll write, can you see that bird sitting on the tree? So, pointing out toward the bird that is sitting on the tree that is far away. So, here I am using the demonstrative adjective that. In a similar way, children, you have to use all these demonstrative adjectives. Now come to the next exercise, that is correct the errors in these sentences and rewrite them. You have to focus on the use of demonstrative adjectives. The first one is that pens over there were gifted to me by my grandmother. So here we are talking about pens. Those are plural noun, but the word which is used, demonstrative, is the wrong one. So here we will use those, plural form of demonstrative adjective. So those pens over there were gifted to me by my grandmother. Now next one, is these pineapple pastry mine? It looks delicious. So here the pineapple pastry is a singular noun, but the demonstrative which is used here, this is the wrong one. This is the plural one. So it will have to be replaced with the demonstrative adjective this. These will be replaced with this. Is this pineapple pastry mine? It looks delicious. Then rewrite the sentence. Now in the similar way, children, you will be completing your rest of the sentence. Now come to the next exercise, that is fill in the blanks choosing the correct demonstrative adjectives from the bracket, and you have two options for each fill up. The first one is, can you shift dash tables to the other room? So here those is the right one. Can you shift those tables to the other room? Now next one is, Anish, please return dash books to the library. The right answer is these books to the library. And in the similar way, children, you have to choose the correct demonstrative adjectives and fill in the blanks. I hope, children, you have understood what is demonstrative adjectives. Thank you, children.